Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to write query in Dynatrace. So let's get straight into it. Now, first open up DQL. So we will do that as if we go here at the top, where is this plus icon button. So click on that, and then you will see here the second one, DQL, and or you can press just Shift and D as a shortcut. Alright, so now here at the bottom we have query Grail. On the right side here we can type something in. So now I will paste here a code basically for let's say we will get 10 error logs uh, right so this is basically one example what we have. So the first step here we have basically telling Dynatrace what to look for. So for logs, events, biz events, entities. Then step 2 we have we apply filters, and then step 3 we process and pipe. So we use additional commands to sort, limit, or group the data. So let's run this right now. All right. Here, sadly, we don't have any records or any errors or something, so we are clean in this code. And yeah, so this is pretty much how we can write a query. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next